Let's push him over now.
Give it to him, you swallow. Yeah, give it to him.
Look at his eyes, fool.
I can't even drink the milk.
Hey, bark if you have to. Bark if you have to. Is it hot?
Oh, fuck!
Yeah, this fool.
Reggie?
What?
I want some money.
Oh, fuck.
Fuck!
I have cramps. He's tearing up. You need some
Fuck, my throat fucking hurt.
Yes,
Is that shit like...
Hey, no, here.
Oh, you got
Oh, the fucking... Who have eyes? Who has eyes for his throat?
Yeah, oh, fuck.
Sick, man.
Boom, boom.
Oh, nigga, you fucked up. Hey, someone bring me that milk, dog.
Imagine Reggie.
I give him 50 bucks. 50 bucks. 50 bucks? You can give it to me in the next week. I don't know.
I already saw
I don't know.
Damn. Nigga go ate it. Shit.
I want to see. We have to tape it when you take this first shit.
Huh? My ears hurt.
That fucking sucks because I better take like half of the first because that shit went low battery and then I got it back.
But did you get him saying this is the health?
Not water, food, drink milk.
Yeah.
That's just fucking it.
I'm not drinking this shit.
Stop.
Yeah.
Keep going. Alright, you can stop. That's good. Are you good? Huh? Are you good?
Yeah, it is.
$12, dog.
Hey, that's fucked up. I'll add more. I'll make it 20. I'll bring it on Thursday. That's fucked up.
If I have my taste buds.
Look at this eye.
Is this shit still burning? Who's next? Who's next?
Kids at home. Don't do this shit.